when your vacuum doesn't work like it used to before. Open it up and take a look. Over time, dust and debris build up inside the filters, restricting airflow and reducing suction power. The good news? A few simple replacements can help restore your vacuum's performance. Regular maintenance keeps your vacuum powerful, efficient, and ready for everyday cleaning. Tip: it is not recommended to wash your filters as they will deform. With a new filter, you can restore suction performance, maintain optimal airflow, and help your vacuum perform like new. Please check the compatibility of the accessories for your model before ordering.